to the Thurgood Marshall School of Law Library of Texas Southern University. The Law Library is on the first floor of the law school building to the right and consists of 2 floors, the first floor and a basement level. Upon your entrance into the library, you will notice our policies on display on the doors and the circulation and information desk. The circulation and information desk is your one-stop shop where you'll be able to check out materials, reserve a study room, where Lost and Found is located, or receive any other of our library services. The reserve collection is located behind the circulation and information desk. These are high-demand items such as citation manuals, including the Blue Book and the Green Book, course materials placed on reserve by a professor, commercial outlines and study aids, and practitioner materials. Reserved items must be used within our facility. If you turn to the left and walk down the corridor, then you will see our touchscreen kick scanner. Self-service scanning is available free of charge. Scans can be saved on a USB drive or emailed. Now turn left past the circulation desk, and that's where our public use computers are and the reference desk. There are also media racks filled with research tips. We offer reference assistance in person, by phone, and email during all posted reference hours. Reference services are available to assist with questions about the collection, to help find specific legal materials, the legal research course, citation help, or to set up a research strategy. Most of the law library's collection is on the first floor, but there is open seating available as well as study corrals. The first floor and all study rooms are considered a quiet zone, meaning whispered conversations are allowed. Now on to the collection. To the left of the reference desk, our print government documents are on the shelves. Please ask a librarian should you require government documents, as they can be accessed online via the Government Printing Office website. To the right is our reference collection. Secondary materials help you understand the law. They are not the law itself, but a helpful means to understanding legal doctrine. Our international and immigration materials are located on aisle 104. Tax materials are located on aisle 104 as well. Digest cases and statutes for the great state of Texas are located on aisles 105 through 108. You'll find federal primary authority beginning on aisle 109. The materials here are considered the actual law. Reporters which house cases are on aisles 112 through 117. Caution, these materials are no longer being updated in print format at our facility. Please refer to our electronic resources such as Lexis or Westlaw for the latest updates on these materials. Now straight ahead, you'll reach the computer lab, room 122. There is absolutely no food or drinks in this area. You must use your TSU credentials to log on to these computers. There are no guest usernames. Outside the computer lab, you will find plenty of more shelving, and that's where our general stacks are located. This collection contains books that are arranged by call number and occupy aisles 117 through 136. Most of these books can be checked out for a 4-week period. You can renew these items online through your library account or at the circulation desk. All library materials are due at the end of the semester. Students, please be advised that a hold can be placed on your academic record in addition to any fines accrued if you do not return your loaned items at the end of the semester. The Law Library's special collections, housed on the main floor, contains over 1,900 monographs and 2,000 plus microform volume equivalents, and they focus on the African American experience in North America and abroad. Items in the special collections reading room are for library use only. See a librarian at the circulation desk for more information on how to access these materials. Now, if you walk towards aisle 136, just to the left of that, you'll notice the opening that leads you into the elevator lobby. You must come to the elevator lobby to access the library basement. This is where our study rooms are located. The basement is considered mostly a no-talking zone and is reserved for serious study. Only the seating in the front, before the cubicles, is a quiet zone. Once you enter the basement, to the right, you will see the microform collection. This collection contains many publications disseminated by our government. It is kept in movable shelving. There is plenty of additional open seating in the basement available, as well as more study corrals and cubicles along the walls. The cubicles provide additional privacy versus the open seating for individuals, and they come with a chair, a space for a laptop, and drawers to keep your personal belongings. The cubicles are open spaces for the students and do not require a reservation. These study rooms are available on a first-come, first-served basis to our law students only. You must reserve them at the circulation desk, but do not reserve them too far in advance, no more than 15 minutes ahead of your desired time slot. They can be used for 2 hours at a time. There are 16 individual study rooms for only one student per room. The group study room is designated for groups of 3 or more people. It is equipped with a whiteboard, 2 bookcases, 2 tables, 1 small desk, and 2 small bulletin boards. This room will be kept locked and opened by library staff upon room reservation. Thank you for visiting the Thurgood Marshall School of Law Library. Should you ever need assistance, please don't hesitate to ask a librarian.